Okay, so here's the deal. Got a two broken baby swings. So doing a little research on the internet and YouTube to fix the swings using a automatic air freshener. Check this out. So here you can see I have purchased a Glade automatic spray freshener, and I have disassembled the unit for this little guy. That's it. So I have just replaced the motor in this baby swing with the motor from a Glade automatic air freshener. Is it in here somewhere? That right there is the motor that runs a baby swing. Who'd have thunk it? Right. Here we go. Power on. You said you would believe it if you saw it. Now you've seen it.
No way.
$10 repair. Put your baby to bed now.